Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this section we're going to talk about how to repel roly-polies. Now I know these guys as little potato bugs, or they call them sow bugs, but they call them roly-polies because when they're scared they will roll into a little ball. This guy doesn't want to do it right now, but they just roll into a little tiny ball. And that's how they protect themselves. They've got a hard armor, just like an armadillo does, and that way they protect themselves from different types of anybody that's going to hurt them. So basically, they're not dangerous, and they don't really do a lot of damage. They actually can eat some foliage, so yes, they can become a problem. But I have found, unless you've got lots of them, they're not really a big problem. And there's easy ways that you can repel them. First of all, any type of oil works really well, whether you use vegetable oil or olive oil or lavender oil. Just spray them down with that oil and it'll suffocate them. They can't breathe and they'll die right away. And it's natural and it doesn't hurt the rest of the environment. You can always pick them one by one and try to get rid of them too. But spices work really well, whether you use cayenne pepper, red hot chili pepper, or salt. Wherever you've got a lot of these roly-polies, just sprinkle it on and they will take off. So they won't hang out at all. If they're coming into the house, you got to figure out where they're coming in from. So follow the trail if you see them coming in and block it off. So if you need screens on the doors, put screens on your doors. Or make sure if there's a little gap, put a little bit of Elmer's glue in the gap too, wherever they're coming in. And you should slow them down that way. But I always remember that every type of bug has a purpose, just like we do. And so our first choice is to set boundaries for them before we try to hurt them. So you can set boundaries for little roly-polies by just sprinkling down some pepper or red hot chili pepper or any kind of spices. And if that doesn't work, putting oil down too. They don't like oil at all. And there are easy ways to repel them.